In this video, we will learn about functions in Python. Here, I am creating a new function by defining the function using def, and I am giving the name to my function, that is, plus, which takes two arguments a and b, and I am getting a new variable c to store the addition of these two values by writing c is equals to a plus b. After that, I am writing a print statement, which contains the written value c, and after that I am writing a return statement, so that my addition will be returned to the terminal. So I have defined the function. After that, I am calling my function by writing the statement plus here, which contains two values. That is 5 and 7. So when the additional 5 and 7, that is 12, is visible on my terminal, as you can see that. Now there is another method by writing user input. So I am writing it equals to integer value that takes input from the first number, and same as way I am writing another variable b that also takes some input from the user. So I am writing second number. Now I have changed the values from 5 and 7 to a and b. When I run the code, then on the terminal, it asks me for the first number, then I am writing some specific value as same for the second number. I will give him some specific value, and that addition of these two numbers will be given to me at the terminal. Thank you.